Dear children, welcome to the EVS online class. Hope you all are safe at home. We have completed lesson 6, reproduction in plants. Today let's do the text exercises. Open your textbook, page number 47. Section A, choose the correct options. First question is, which of these plants reproduces through its stem? You have 4 options there: mango tree, lotus plant, carrot and strawberry. What is the answer? Yes, strawberry is the answer. Second question, which of these do the cotyledons contain? The options are baby shoot, food for the baby plant, seed pod, baby root. What is the answer? Option B, food for the baby plant. Cotyledons stores food for the baby plant. Third question, which of these seeds is dispersed by wind? Options are lotus, coconut, maple and peas. Answer is maple. Fourth question, which of these is a kharif crop? Kharif crops are the summer crops. So you have 4 options there: gram, wheat, maize, mustard. So here the answer is maize. Now section B, fill in the blanks. First question, the long stems of plants that run along the ground are called dash. What is the answer? Yes, runners. You can write runners there. Second question, the baby plant inside the seed is called the dash. Answer is embryo. Third question, the seed leaves are called dash. What is the answer? Seed leaves are called cotyledon. Fourth one, coconut seeds are dispersed by dash. Answer is water. Fifth question, dash crops are grown in summer in India. What is the answer? Yes, kharif crops are grown in summer in India. Now section C, write T for true or F for false. First question, plants can grow only from seeds. Is it true or false? It is false. Plants can grow from other parts of plant like stem, roots and leaves. So that is false. Second question, the seed leaves make food for the seed. Is it true or false? It is false. The seed leaves stores food for the baby plant. Third question, seeds can germinate without water. It is also false. Seeds cannot germinate without water. Seeds will germinate into new plant only if there is water, sunlight and air. Fourth question, if all seeds fall under the parent plant, they will grow into very healthy plants. That is false. Fifth question, kharif crops grow best in warm weather. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Kharif crops grow best in warm weather. Now section D, give one word for the following. First question, a piece of stem that can grow into a new plant. That is stem cutting. Second question, the growth of a seed into a new plant. What is the answer? Yes. Answer is germination. The growth of a seed into a new plant is called germination. Third question, a baby plant after germination. What is the answer? Yes, it is seedling. A baby plant after germination is called seedling. A baby plant inside the cotyledon is called as embryo. So here the answer is seedling. Then fourth question, the scattering of seeds away from the mother plant. That is seed dispersal. Fifth question, winter crop season. What is the answer? Winter crop season is called Rabi. Dear children, hope you all have completed the text exercises properly. Read the textbook and study the notes well. So let's meet in the next class with a new lesson. Thank you.